Dear friends, if in direct speech simple present tense is there, to convert the direct speech into indirect speech, the simple present tense will change to simple past tense. Let me explain this by giving the next example. He said, I go to market. I go to I go to market. I go to market. I go to market. I go to market. So in this sentence, I will say simple present tense is there. I go to market. This is the direct speech. And now, while converting this sentence into indirect speech, the simple present tense will change to simple past tense. He said that he went to market. He said that he went to market. He said that he went to market. Dear friends, here in this direct speech, I go to market, and that I go to market changes to he went to market. Past tense is there. So you pay attention to this. To express past actions, we use simple past tense. If the time of action is not given, those actions also we use. For example, he went to market, she washed her clothes, I donated 5,000 rupees. Sometimes time is given of the action. For example, an accident took place yesterday, he came last night, I wrote a letter day before yesterday. And very importantly, if simple present tense is there in the direct speech, while converting that direct speech into indirect speech, we use or that simple present tense changes to simple past tense. Now, dear friends, if you have any doubt about this topic, please you ask. Doubt session, sir. Please, doubt session. If you have any doubt about this section, please you ask me. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you recap present perfect continuous tense? Because I was not there, so I just
Okay.
connected now only, sir.
Okay, okay, dear friend. Now, present perfect continuous tense. I have been writing a letter since morning. I have been writing a letter since morning. Look at the structure of this sentence. Subject plus have been or has been. I will tell you when to use have been and has been. First, look at the sentence. I have been writing a letter since morning. I have been writing a letter since morning. Here you will see subject plus have been, then V4, fourth form of the verb, and then object, and since morning for 2 hours, those time indicating words. Have been is used with I and you and third person plural number, they. I have been, we have been, you have been, they have been, and other subjects which are in plural number. my friends have been, my brothers have been, this way. And has been is used with he has been, she has been, it has been, and any other singular subject like my brother has been, my friend has been. For example, he has been playing for 2 hours. He has been playing for 2 hours. Ram has been writing a book for a month, this way. Then Raghav has been working since 8 o'clock. I have been working since yesterday. Rajesh has been living here since 1997. Dear friend, present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action. Present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which began at some time in the past, and still that action is going on. I have been riding a bicycle for 2 hours. We have been playing cricket since morning and still the process of our playing cricket is going on. Next, you have seen here since 1997, since June, and for a long time, it has been raining for a long time, when to use for and when to use since. Dear friend, these are the time indicating words or the group of words. Now, for the total period of time, we have to use for. For the total period of time, we have to use for, and for the point of time, to indicate the point of time, we have to use since. For the total period of time, we have to use for. For example, for 2 hours, for 15 days, for 10 days, for a long time, for a long period, for some time. And since is used to indicate a point of time, from which the action has begun. For example, since 2 o'clock, since morning, since Monday, since January, since 1997, since last night, etc. For example, Hema has been dancing for 3 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours. They have been watching TV since morning. It has been raining for a long time. And Sarla has been teaching in this college since June. Has been is used with he has been, she has been, it has been, my brother has been, my friend has been. When the subject is in singular number, we have to use has been. And have been is used with I have been, we have been, it is used with second person, you have been, and it is used with third person plural number, that is they have been, and any other subject which is in plural number. My friends have been, my brothers have been. Okay, next question please. Hello.
Yes, Vedant.
Yes.
Sir, differentiate between present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, and present continuous tense.
Present perfect tense, present perfect
continuous tense,
yes,
and
and
present continuous tense.
dear friend, you will see in present continuous tense, at the time of speaking, the action is going on. Hello.
Yes,
At
sir.
the time of speaking, the action is going on. For I'm reading a book. At the time of speaking, I'm reading a book. I'm writing a letter. This is the present continuous tense.
Okay.
and present perfect tense when an action is very recently completed. To express such actions, we use present perfect tense. For example, we have played cricket, action is completed. I have read a book, action is completed. I have written a letter, action is completed. So to such actions, we use present perfect tense. And now, remember, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. An action which has begun in the past time and still that action is continuing in the present time. For example, I have been writing a letter since morning. That means my writing of letter is not finished. I have started writing that letter since morning and still the action of writing a letter is continued. I have been writing a letter since morning. He has been reading a book since yesterday. Since yesterday. That means one person cannot complete the reading, cannot complete or finish the reading of a book in just one day. He may take time, 2 days time or 3 days time or maybe 4 days time. Okay. Now I have been studying. I have been studying in 10th class. I have been studying in 10th class. That means still I'm in 10th class. Okay.
Yes.
He has been studying in 12th standard. That means he's in 12th standard.
Yes.
Okay. Means action has begun in the past and still the action is continued. To express such actions, we use present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Next question, please.
One more doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, format for present perfect continuous tense.
Format I have already given. Present perfect continuous tense. Look at or write down. Subject
Yes, sir.
plus. Look at here. Present perfect continuous tense.
Yes.
Write down. I have
Yes.
been writing a letter since morning.
Written, sir.
Yes, right. I subject plus
Yes.
have been oblique has been. Have been oblique has been.
Yes.
And I have told you when to use have been and has been.
Yes, sir.
Subject plus have been oblique has been plus V4, fourth form of the verb or ing form of the verb. And then a letter, that is object. And then time indicating words like since morning or for 2 hours. Whether you can write them or not, but subject plus have been oblique has been plus V4 plus object. Have been is used with I have been, we have been, they have been, and plural subjects. Has been is used with he has been, she has been, it has been, and subjects which are in singular number. My brother has been, my sister has been, my friend has been. Okay, next.
So V4 means?
Hello?
V4 means, sir?
V4 means fourth form of the verb. That is the present participle form. Past participle form नहीं है वो. Present participle form. It is called the ing form also. It is called the fourth form of the verb also. It is used in continuous tense, present continuous tense, and past perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. V4 means fourth form of the verb, ing form. Next.
If anyone have queries, then ask by raising their hands related to